From the streets to the hidden corners. Kalami 7 started on air. We discover local flavors and food is unite. Feast on the goodness from morning till night. Oh yeah, Kalami 7. Oh, so divine. Food will gotta make your taste buds shine. From home in the world to go meet the lights. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Taste the flavors, savor the love. Kalami 7. Take your body to life. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight.
Hi guys, we're back there is a dim sum break because nas like importanteng promo karong June 14 from 1 to 5 p.m. by kay they're celebrating their 55 years and at 55 lang ang steam or fried dim sum karong June 14 from 1 to 5 p.m. 55 brabay. Oh, so basta provided na mapalit ka sa ilang steam rice. So you're gonna buy one steam rice then in imong dim sum na pare sama ning siomai, pare ning quail egg, sa shrimp toast, sa spring rolls, 55 na lang. So that's around from 90 may mo 50 right dako gina na discount. So ato ni mga sa dire okay, of course. Ganahan kay kumukaon res. Ha. Dim sum break, of course, mo ni atong steam rice ba. Udto ta. Kalami. Mag-siomay. Wow! Yung steam chicken nila nanay. Galing. Nanay chorizo. Ay galing. Strong namin ah. Of course, dito sa fried, maning shrimp toast. And paborito sa akong asawa mo niya ng spring rolls. Finally, ng siomai. They really are the best, arguably the best dim sum, fast food dim sum place dito sa Cebu. And just imagine kung 55 pesos na lang ang dumplings. No brainer ba, mabalik ko na rin pag June 14 from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So see you on your, as a favorite ninyo na dim sum break branch kay mag dim sum festival ta. So di ba? Kita kits!